sound. E is for dog who runs around. E is for elephant so tall. F is for fish swimming by the wall. G is for giraffe that doesn't fall. H is for horse that's in the stall. ABC, come sing with me. 1, 2, 3, let's count and see. Learning's fun as it can be. ABC, come sing with me. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jelly, a yummy treat. K is for kangaroo with bouncy feet. L is for lion, who's hard to beat. M is for monkey, swinging high. N is for nest, birds in the sky. O is for owl, who says oh my. P is for pig, who's never shy. ABC, come sing with me. 1, 2, 3, let's count and see. Learning's fun as it can be. ABC, come sing with me. Q is for quail so quick on her feet. R is for rabbit with the hops so sweet. S is for snake who slithers around. T is for tiger with a mighty sound. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for vulture, soaring so high. W is for whale who swims in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Y is for yak with thick shaggy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes to spare. ABC, come sing